going to show you how to remove the glides. A lot of times if you haven't removed them regularly, they get stuck in here. So I'm going to show you a little trick on how to get these out. This is what this wood dowel rod is for that I supply with every unit. You're going to take your 1/8 inch Allen wrench. And you're going to take your bottom glide retainer off. Now on the regular zipper you just have the one glide retainer. On this one you want to take those two out. You want to just loosen these top ones here. Just a bit. That'll allow you to get a little play to take your glide retainer out. Now to take these glides out here, sometimes they're stuck if you haven't taken them out for a while. You see how mine, so that I could probably push it out. But if you can't push it out, what you're going to need to do is duplicate it to the other side. You want to take both glide retainers off of here. Now it's a good idea, and I would definitely, anytime I'm taking the lid off or I'm taking the glide retainers off, I want to use a little bit of anti-seize. Okay, this is made by Permatex. What this does is lube your threads up to make sure you don't get corrosion, what have you. I put a little bit on those screws. So I'm duplicating on this side, and I'm taking off my glide retainer. When they're brand new, these slide in and out very easy, but when you've got debris in, and you'll hear as this slides, can you hear the chunkiness? Okay, I could actually push mine out, but sometimes they're stuck a little bit worse. Remove both your glide retainers, take your wood dowel rod, keep one side that's flat, the other side you're going to mushroom a bit. You want to tap these out. You may need a buddy to hold your unit or something, it depends on how bad they're in there. Now if you have hair and you haven't cleaned them out, I've got a bit. If you've got a whole lot, you've got to clean that out first. But you see my glide is dirty. I let it get dirty on purpose just to show you that you'll need to clean all this out. Now what you want to do is clean this channel off here. Doesn't matter what you use, Windex, anything else. And you want to clean down inside this channel. I'm going to go clean this glide and make sure that it's nice and clean. I'm going to show you how it slides in real easy. Sometimes I'll take a little bit of sandpaper, and I have a little bit here. And right down the channel where it slides, I fold my sandpaper and I run it up and down here. And this glide's pretty beat. I've been tearing this machine apart, but see how it cleans that channel out real nice? I naturally would be at my sink cleaning this up real nice. Take your hemostats, pull all your other garbage and trash out of your glide. And definitely you can tell what side I'd put it on. This one isn't totally destroyed, but it's a little rough. It could use some sanding. But I'm going to put this side up here. So once it's clean, this should basically slide in fairly easy. See there? It'll slide in real easy. It's only when it's all jammed that it doesn't. And basically reinstall it. Make sure you got your edges clean here. And duplicate on the other side.